After creating a blank page, you're going to go to the left side here and you're going to select elements. After selecting elements, you're going to scroll down a bit, then look for a heading which says Mockups, and next to Mockups, we are going to select See All. Now, there are hundreds of designs that you can choose from phones, people wearing t-shirts, laptops, computers, TVs, billboards, and so on. But I'm going to use this one for example. It's a person with a bag. Drag it there. Then I'm going to expand it. Then you're going to find your design, then drag it into the image. Now what you need to do is wait for a few seconds for it to load the image. And as you can see here, the image has been added. So this is pretty cool. Or let's say that you want to use a different mockup. I'm going to delete this one. Then I'm going to use a computer, for example. Then find your image, then drag and drop. Then you have to wait a few seconds. And as you can see here, my image has been added to the laptop. So there you go. That's how you can use mockups. So it's pretty cool. You simply have to drag and drop your image into the mockup section. And that's it.